got 15 people pushing right side. No blind fire, please.
We need the reinforcements on the Pentagon. That way.
Right over the edge, right there. Smoke.
No, yellow smoke. This color.
There you go.
Nice work. They're all dead. All right. They're all dead.
Oh, let's go.
I think your skin's melted off already.
Hey, there's people on the ridge. People on the ridge.
Yeah. I'm watching.
Oh,
I'm told they're all dead.
there's a medic right there.
Okay, hit.
Hey, got a grenade? Got a grenade?
No, no.
Is that the devil's lettuce?
We are in Camp 1. Crossing Camp 2.
Yeah, this is a hard spawn. I don't know why it's so close. Hey, that guy, you're out of bounds. Buddy, you're out. All right.
Appreciate it.
Can anybody see him?
Fair.
Yep, appreciate
What
it.
we got down there?
Grenade?
There's at least 10. If I had to guess, it was probably 10.
Grenade?
Make sure you don't blind fire, that's all.
We're push as far as we can, even if we die.
People on the ridge.
Yeah, I see all the people on the ridge.
Yeah, I'm not too worried about them. They don't have much range.
Yeah, I know.
What's that? Come back.
Are they on the hill down there?
Yes.
How far down are they?
Probably 20, 30 feet in front of you.
Wait. Yo.
Hit. Hey Tim, you ready? I'm gonna throw a smoke and try to deter them. We'll take the smoke right here, this dud, throw it over, try to deter them. When they'll probably get up and run. You probably shoot them in the back.
Can't be legal. Huh? Can't be half in, half out, dude.
Hey, when I throw this over, y'all pop shots as they run. Grenade!
Nice, dude.
Did you get anybody? Okay. Hit. Medic! Anybody got a medic? Good shit, dude, good shit.
Hey, everybody was ready to you cover me. The guy behind him was whoever decided to throw a grenade, hilarious. Yeah,
Thank you.
I got that on video. Pretty good. You right over there. Those guys are dead.
There's a medic there, I've seen the medic. I'm going for the medic, I'm not trying to shoot you. I seen the yellow band right beside you, I know he's there. My bad, I see the hand now.
That is the medic.
Oh, that is the medic?
The guy with the yellow band?
Yeah.
But I'm not a guy. Okay, but this was a guy who was down there after you did the grenade.
Yeah.
He's still shooting at me, so there's somebody still there.
Yeah, there's somebody there. All right, you go up. Good copy. On the dam. At the spawn. Yep. Camp 3, you got guys coming from the dam, fleeing back. Yeah, we're trying to take them as they come out of spawn. They're coming up the dam. Hey, watch, I got a sniper straight in front of me over there. There's a sniper somewhere right in front of y'all. There's concrete barriers, I believe he's at.
What up?
What's up, what's up? We got friendlies over to our right.
Friendly?
Friendlies to our right, directly to our right. There's enemies over here behind these concrete barriers.
I saw him, yeah. I got a keyhole. Left side. They're trying to hit you.
I think that was a hit.
Okay.
I think that was, I don't know. We'll call it.
Okay.
Yeah, they're set.
I'd be careful peeking that because I got hit from there. I'm just gonna. No, that's. Guessing that guy's dead. Welcome to the right.
Yeah, we got a lot of punches on the left. Is that us or?
I have one.
Well, we're in the perfect.
We have one on the left.
Push up, push up.
One's walking back.
Hey, medic right there. That's ours.
All right. Hey, who are these guys to the right?
That's us. That's us.
That's us? Okay.
Oh, we got him surrounded.
Push up. Come on.
We're pushing up the right side of Camp 5. Push up on that left. Hey! Medic! I think he needs a medic. Hit!
Hit. Not hit.
Camp 4 is hot. Camp 4 is hot. They just took one of our POWs at Camp 4. Contact Camp 4. Try to get that guy at that building. That building right there. Matt, are you? Okay, I'm hit.
Okay, come with me. Here's POW.
I'm hit.
Guys, I got a little gift. 2 POWs.
Hey guys.
Hey guys, what y'all got going on over here?
Liberty Bip.
Okay, okay.
Hey, buddy, how you doing?
Hey, what's up? What's up?
You know, living the dream.
Damn, you caught an LMG. That's crazy. You gotta surrender that shit.
You two. I'm getting on this one.
I'm glad.
You two fuckers got caught.
I'm glad the CO's still here.
Flag in the back.
That's the perfect intel I need.
On your knees, guys.
Now, shouldn't we be on the knees? Yeah.
On your
Yeah.
knees.
Yeah, get on your knees.
I'm coming.
Whoa.
There we go.
Red in the background.
Shane, keep an eye on my right side, that lower meadow. I can't see nothing coming up my right. Hey guys, fall back if y'all can. Let him take it. It's not an objective. CO's more important right now.
Fall back behind the tower. Come to compound. Let them in. Let them have a good time. 8 minutes left.
8 minutes left. CO says let's them take a field.
No shit.
Yeah, that thing's
I
going.
think they're counting down. And we got ammo depot back.
Game's it. Set.
SRU!
Woo!
Game's over!
Woo!
All right!